Hi everybody, Shannon here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to access the assignments that you are given within your Project Lead the Way classroom teacher training. So, to do that, you log into MyPLTW. This time we are going back to the professional development section. You're going to find your current training, which should be the 2021 Project Lead the Way Launch Classroom Teacher Training, and hit Resume Track. We're going to come over here to the Project Lead the Way Launch Classroom Teacher Training. And you'll see Block 1, Block 2, Block 3, and Block 4. So there are submission forms for each one of these blocks. So depending on what block you are currently on, so I'm just going to go with Block 1, but these instructions work for Block 1 through 4. So we're going to click on the Block 1 submission form and it will automatically download a Word document to our laptop. So in order to do this, you're going to need to be on a laptop and not a Chromebook. So whenever that document downloads to your computer, you're going to open it up, enable the editing, and there are 2 questions that we need you to answer. Once you have answered those questions, you'll go to File, Save As, and figure out wherever you want to save it. I like to do it on the desktop or in download so I know where they're at. And you're going to keep the name CTT Block Submission, whatever it is, Block 1 Submission, and hit Save. So now you've completed that worksheet, you've saved it to your computer, you're ready to turn it in. So in order to turn it in, you have to go to My Files, File Upload, Browse, and here you're going to navigate to where it was that you saved it. So knowing that I saved it on my desktop, I'm going to go to Desktop and I'm going to find the CTT Block 1 Submission and hit Submit. Once you see it here, you are good to exit out and it will say In Review. At this time, or whenever everyone's finished taking the training, I will go in and I will review, along with Frank, all of the different submissions, and then it will say complete. And at that time, once you've done all of those things, you will get your certificate and be certified.